Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to move your Gmail account over to Proton Mail with ease. If you are switching for better privacy, follow these steps for a smooth transition. Begin by logging into your Proton Mail account on the official website. If you are a new user, you will need to register for an account first. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the layout. Find the gear icon representing your settings and click it to open the menu. Proton Mail's interface is very intuitive, giving you full control over your inbox. Inside the Settings menu, select the All Settings button. This expands your view to show all available configurations, from security to data imports. Now, look for the section titled Import via Easy Switch. This tool is specifically built to streamline moving from services like Gmail. Click this option to move forward. Next, select Import from Google to start the setup for your emails and contacts. Proton Mail handles this securely to protect your data. You will then choose what to migrate, whether it is just emails, just contacts, or both. Selecting the right data now will help you stay organized later. After making your choices, click Start Import to begin the transfer. Ensure you stay connected to the internet so the process finishes without interruption. Click Continue to verify your chosen settings. At this stage, you must log into your Gmail account. This step is vital as it gives Proton Mail the required permissions to access and move your data. Enter your Google credentials and follow the instructions to grant access. Once authorized, follow the final on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a little while, so feel free to step away for a moment. When the migration finishes, a notification will pop up in Proton Mail. Click Close to finalize the procedure. You will also get a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. That is all there is to it. You have successfully moved your Gmail account to Proton Mail. Enjoy your new privacy-focused email setup. If you have questions, feel free to contact their support. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.